How to hide tags or mentions in Instagram story. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to hide tags on Instagram story. So to hide a tags or mention in Instagram story, after you open up your Instagram like this now, swipe to down like this. So now as you can see, I open up my camera like this. So now I'll just go ahead and take a picture to add on my Instagram story. So I'll just take this picture. You can go ahead and take a video or picture. So after, as you can see now, I take a picture of my watch like this now. So if I want to add the tag, like all I have to do now or mention, tap on this sticker icon, tap on it at the top. So tap on this sticker icon. So now as you can see now, here it says mention, select this mention sticker. So now go ahead and type in the person name. So I'll just go ahead and tap on this let's mark. So it will give you different people. So go ahead and type in the person name. I'll just go ahead. Here is the person name. So you can add up to 20 people in this session. After you finish adding all the people that you want to tag on your Instagram post or on your Instagram story, so tap on the name. As you can see now, tap on the name once. After you tap on the name, as you can see now it changed the background to transparent and it changed the text to white. So all you have to do now, resize the text. As you can see now, resize the text like this. So after you finish resizing the text, as you can see now you can go ahead and drag the text to off. As you can see now, drag it up out of the up of your Instagram story. So as you can see now here is the text. As you can see now, here is the tag people at the top, but nobody can be able to see it on my Instagram story. So now I'll tap on this next arrow at the bottom. So as you can see now you can go ahead and share your Instagram story so people cannot be able to see the people that you tag on your Instagram story. That's it on how to hide tags on Instagram story. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.